SB19 dropping another album. Ano raw? Uy, grabe ka. 18, Can You Keep Up? Wakas at Simula album. Samantala, narito po ang isang update ng madalas din magbigay ng kanilang artikulo sa SB19 walang iba kundi ang Asian Inquirer. SB19 hits UK charts with Wakas at Simula. Filipino quintet SB19 achieved a historic milestone today as their newest album entered the United Kingdom charts. The second studio album titled Wakas at Simula debuted at number 31 on the UK official album download chart. This 24-track project released on March 27, 2026 represents the group's strongest full-length performance in the British market. Fans known as 18 are celebrating the feat on X, driving the album title to the top of global trends. The record serves as a reimagining of their previous trilogy, blending re-recorded hits with 6 brand new tracks. Patuloy ng nasabing artikulo sa kanila nga pong naging post, high-profile international collaborations include Toy Friend with Japan's Be-First and Emoji with C-pop icon Jolin Chai. Music critics have highlighted the sonic adventurism and emotional depth found in new songs like Visa and Wakas. The album previously reached number 3 on the worldwide iTunes charts, securing top spots in Canada and Australia. This UK chart entry is being hailed as definitive proof of the growing international footprint of P-pop. Supporters continue to share chart graphics and Billboard ranking to maintain the project's momentum online. The self-made group's journey from humble beginnings to European chart success has become a focal point of discussion. With this momentum, the group is set to transition into their highly anticipated Wakas at Simula concert. Grabe, congratulations SB19 dahil talaga namang sa anumang sulok ng mundo namamayagpag ang mga Pinoy. At yan ang ating Showbiz Top Update. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Images are all credit to the rightful owners.